How to avoid itching after shaving. Your ultimate guide. Today, we're tackling a common issue that many of us face after shaving. That annoying itch. Think of it like a pesky mosquito bite. Uncomfortable and distracting. But don't worry. We've got some effective strategies to help you avoid that post-shave itch. Let's dive in. Prepare your canvas. Before you start shaving, it's essential to prepare your skin, just like an artist prepares their canvas. If you try to paint on a rough surface, the results won't be pretty. Similarly, prepping your skin can make a world of difference. Always shave after a warm shower, or apply a warm towel to your skin. This opens up your pores and softens the hair, making it easier to shave and reducing irritation. Choose the right tools. Using the right tools is like using the right ingredients in a recipe. If you use stale ingredients, your dish won't turn out well. The same goes for shaving. Invest in a high-quality razor with sharp blades. Dull blades can tug at the hair instead of cutting it cleanly, leading to irritation and itchiness. Also, consider using a shaving cream or gel that suits your skin type. Think of it as the perfect marinade that enhances the flavor of your dish. Shave with care. When it comes to shaving, technique matters. Imagine trying to slice a loaf of bread with a chainsaw. It's messy and ineffective. Use gentle, short strokes in the direction of hair growth. Avoid pressing too hard. Let the razor do the work. This minimizes irritation and helps prevent that itchy aftermath. Rinse and moisturize. After shaving, your skin needs some TLC, much like a plant needs water after being pruned. If you neglect it, it can become dry and irritated. Rinse your skin with cool water to close the pores and soothe irritation. Then, apply a gentle, alcohol-free moisturizer or aftershave balm. Think of this as giving your skin a refreshing drink after a long day in the sun. Avoid irritants. Just as you wouldn't wear a scratchy sweater after a fresh haircut, you should avoid irritants after shaving. Steer clear of heavily scented lotions, tight clothing, or harsh soaps immediately after shaving. These can exacerbate itching and irritation. Opt for soft, breathable fabrics and gentle products to keep your skin comfortable. Give your skin time to breathe. Finally, think of your skin like a balloon. If you keep inflating it without letting it deflate, it can burst. Allow your skin some time to recover after shaving. If possible, avoid shaving every day. Giving your skin a break can help reduce irritation and itching in the long run. Conclusion. Avoiding itching after shaving doesn't have to be a challenge. By preparing your skin, using the right tools, shaving with care, moisturizing afterward, avoiding irritants, and giving your skin time to breathe, you can enjoy a smooth, itch-free experience. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more grooming advice. Share your own tips for avoiding post-shave itch in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.